Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a collection on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen and just scroll down the collections option under the series. And here you can check your collections, but if you want to create a new one, click to the plus icon and you can add a name to your collection. And if you finish, click to the create button. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.